Good morning everyone. In today's video of discrete mathematics, I will discuss some concepts of relations. Before it, I have discussed the meaning definition of relations. As I told you, relation is the subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Similarly, I have discussed some numericals based on relation. Here is the video for some related topics of relations. Here are some definitions as well, like composition of relations, inverse of relations. You just don't have to learn these definitions, just read the concepts, and you just have to practice numericals based on these topics. In the last video I have discussed many numericals. Now I am discussing the concepts of relations and some other topics based on relations. Here first is composition of relations. As same topic was there in functions, it was composition of functions. The same symbol is also same. It is 0 or composition, or we can say not. It is same symbol. We can see here it is same symbol. Okay, so let's read this definition. It is composition. Let R1 and R2 be two relations from set A to B and B to C. Means R1 is a relation from set A to B, R2 is a relation from B to C respectively. Then we can define a relation R1, composition R2. It is the symbol of composition, same as we used in functions. R1 not R2 we can read, or R1 composition R2 from A to C. Okay, relation will be from A to C such that x, z belongs to R1 not R2, if and only if there exists y that belongs to y, such that x, y belongs to R1 and y, z belongs to R2. This relation is called composition of R1 and R2. So it is the concept of composition. Means if two relations are given, then we can find composition easily and we can recognize the question is of composition by this sign not. So it is composition. Also I have discussed some other numericals yesterday. If power is given, if it is given to find r square, r cube, r4 की power 4 or r की power infinity, it means it is again composition. Okay, whenever you have to find power in relation and functions, just apply composition. Or also they can give, or also in exam examiner can ask relation composition with the sign given here. It is not, symbol of not, R1 composition R2. So you can recognize composition with this sign, or if power is given then simply it is also composition. So here is composition of relations. Next topic, inverse of a relation. I have also discussed inverse in function. Okay, there was method to solve inverse of a relation, inverse of a function. Now we are discussing inverse of a relation. It is easier than inverse of function. So let A comma B be two non-empty sets and R be a relation from a set A to B, and let x comma y number of the subset corresponding to relation R from A to B. You just don't have to learn this, just read once, एक बार पढ़ लें बस कि what is the method to solve numericals. To the relation R from set A to B, their correspond relation from set B to A is called inverse. Inverse means it is the opposite of any relation. Inverse of relation R inverse is opposite of relation R. So the ordered, as I have told, relation will be given in form of ordered pair like A comma B, B comma C. You just have to inverse. आपको सिर्फ उल्टा करना है. If A comma B is given, then make it B comma A. So R inverse is the relation. If R is a relation from set A to B, R inverse will be the relation from B to A, denoted by R inverse such that the subset B cross A. Okay, R inverse is y comma x. X comma y are the ordered pair of R. Y comma x will be the ordered pair of R inverse. This is the method to find R inverse. And also if domain and range of inverse are asked, as we know, as I have discussed, domain of R is the elements in ordered pair. First elements of ordered pair are the domain, and second elements of ordered pair range Similarly, if we are asked domain of R inverse, range of R inverse, we will inverse also. Domain of R will become range of R inverse. Similarly, range of R will become domain of R inverse. सिर्फ उल्टा करना है आपको. Here some example. One example is given. Let A is equal to ABC, B is equal to 1, 2, 3 be two sets, and let R is equal to A comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 1, B comma 2 be a relation from A to B. Then R inverse. R inverse कैसे निकालेंगे? उल्टा कर दीजिए. A comma 1 will become 1 comma A comma 2 will become 2 comma A, B comma 1 will become 1 comma B comma 2 will become 2 comma B. And also if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 5, 6, 7. Second numerical. Second example is here. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 5, 6, 7, and let R is equal to 1, 5, 2, 5, 2, 7 be a relation from R inverse. Then R inverse उल्टा कर दीजिए. 5, 1, 5, 2, 7, 2 is a relation from B to B. Also domain of R will become first elements of ordered pair. R के first elements के ordered pair देख लीजिए. फर्स्ट R के ordered pair में first element check कर लीजिए. So as R is 1, 5, 2, 5, 2, 7. So domain will be 1, 2. Range will be second elements of ordered pair. So answer will be 5, 7. Similarly in R inverse, relation is inversed. So now domain will be 5, 7. Range of R inverse will become 1, 2. So it is opposite. It means domain of R will become now range of R inverse, and range of R will become domain of R inverse. Also third point is given, the inverse of the relation. If any relation is less than, if R एक relation दे रखा है is less than, so R inverse will be is greater than. Similarly, if R is greater than, so R inverse will be is less than. मीन्स उल्टा होता है. इन्वर्स ऑफ रिलेशन इज़ वेरी इजी, जस्ट उल्टा करना है आपको. सिमिलरली डोमेन एंड रेंज भी उल्टा हो जाएगा. डोमेन फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स, रेंज सेकेंड एलिमेंट्स ऑफ रिलेशन in ordered pair. First elements will be domain, second elements will be range. Very easy topic. So I have discussed composition and inverse of relation. Also one more example is here. If R is the relation for natural numbers defined by x plus 4y is equal to 20. Just learn and read properly natural number. Natural numbers are counting numbers not having 0 and not having any decimal value. Just counting numbers are natural numbers. Equation is given. Find the domain and range. You have to find the domain and range of this question. Simple. In this equation, just find the value of y in terms of x. Make x as independent variable, y as dependent variable. So simplify the equation. X plus 4y is equal to 20. 4y is equal to 20 minus x. Y is equal to 20 minus x upon 4. So put the value of x so that you can get a natural number in y. So x भी natural number होना चाहिए, y भी. Okay, so x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 16, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 12, y is equal to 2. You just have to find out only counting numbers. X भी counting number होना चाहिए, y भी. So domain, so r क्या बन जाएगा? x comma y. So domain will be x. Always domain will be x. So the value, put the value of x in domain. Answer will be 4, 8, 12, 16. Always write in ascending order. 4, 8, 12, 16. And range will become, put the values of y in range. It will become 1, 2, 4, 3. You can write in descending order also, 4, 3, 2, 1, or you can simply write 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is very important numerical. Example 3. In these type of questions can be asked in your external exam, and internal also I will definitely give this in assignment also. If one equation is given and you are asked to find domain and range, so put the value of x and find y, and x will be domain, y will be range. So just practice these kinds of numericals. So today I have discussed the concepts of composition of relation, inverse of relation, and also numericals based on this. Thanks for listening. Now types of relations are remaining. I will discuss in other video. Okay, till the time practice these numericals concepts properly. Very important these are. Thank you.